Two neighbors leave for work at the exact same time. One drives a luxury SUV, the other drives an older sedan. Most people instantly assume the luxury SUV. Most people immediately assume the luxury SUV owner is wealthier. But appearances can be incredibly misleading. The biggest wealth trap isn't looking poor. It's looking rich while quietly getting poorer every single month.
An expensive car may boost your image, but it can silently steal your financial future. Advertisements sell excitement. They rarely show years of payments, interest, or depreciation.
The paperwork takes minutes. The payments can follow you for years.
The monthly payment is only part of the story. The total cost tells the truth. Cars lose value with time. Your financial freedom doesn't have to. Before choosing between buying or leasing, ask yourself one question. Which option helps me build lasting wealth?
Walking into a dealership feels exciting, but you're entering a business designed to maximize profit.
Most buyers focus on the monthly payment instead of the total amount they'll eventually spend.
Leasing doesn't mean buying the car. It simply means paying to use it for a limited time. Every month, part of your payment covers the value the car loses over time.
When the lease ends, the payments are gone. And so is the car. Drive more than the allowed mileage, and extra charges can quickly add up. Even small damage may lead to unexpected costs when returning a leased vehicle.
After years of payments, you return the keys and walk away without owning the vehicle. The dealership often prepares that same car to sell again, starting the profit cycle all over. That's why understanding the system matters. The goal isn't just driving a car, it's keeping more of your money.
So, does that mean buying is automatically the smarter choice? Not necessarily.
Many people finance a car for 6 or even 7 years without thinking about the long-term cost. The longer the loan, the longer your income stays connected to monthly payments. Interest quietly increases the true price of your vehicle far beyond the sticker price. At the same time, the car itself keeps losing value every single year. Sometimes people owe more on the loan than the car is actually worth. That situation makes upgrading much more expensive than most buyers expect. Rolling old debt into a new loan only makes the financial burden grow bigger. Many drivers aren't choosing a better deal. They're simply moving from one payment to the next. Real financial freedom begins when your money works for you instead of constantly paying for yesterday's car. Instead of asking which payment is lower, compare where each path takes you years from now. Buying a quality used vehicle lets someone else absorb the biggest depreciation hit. A well-maintained certified pre-owned vehicle can deliver excellent value and dependable performance. The day you make your final payment is the day your car finally starts working for you. Every payment you no longer owe becomes money you can save, invest, or use to reach bigger goals. Financial freedom grows faster when your income builds assets instead of endless monthly bills. Time can either increase your debt or increase your wealth. Your decisions determine which one happens. Keeping a reliable car for years often creates far more wealth than constantly upgrading. Every flashy advertisement has one goal: convince you to spend more than you originally planned. Before buying any car, ask yourself one question: is this a need or simply a want?
A paid-off car gives your money the freedom to improve every other part of your life.
The money you don't spend on car payments becomes fuel for future opportunities. Wealth is usually built one smart decision at a time, not one expensive purchase at a time.
Small monthly savings may seem ordinary today, but over time, they can become extraordinary.
Real success isn't measured by what you drive. It's measured by the choices that protect your future.
Discipline often looks boring in the moment, but incredibly rewarding years later.
The longer you keep a dependable vehicle, the more time your money has to work for you. True wealth is having fewer payments, more choices, and complete control over your financial future. The smartest financial decisions aren't always the most exciting, but they often create the greatest rewards. A paid-off vehicle isn't just transportation. It's freedom from one of life's biggest monthly expenses.
Money saved on transportation strengthens every other financial goal you have.
Time rewards people who consistently make smart financial choices, not impulsive ones.
Financial freedom isn't reached in a single day. It's built through years of consistent decisions.
Knowledge becomes powerful only when it's turned into action.
Sometimes the quietest driveway belongs to the person making the smartest money decisions. The fewer payments controlling your income, the more freedom you'll have to shape your future. Real wealth isn't about impressing strangers. It's about creating security for yourself and your family. Choose the decision that gives you more freedom, more opportunities, and a stronger financial future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.